The Virnig V20 mini skid steer land leveler is designed to make site preparation in tight spaces fast and efficient. Whether you're leveling a backyard, spreading material, grading soil, or removing sod, this versatile attachment provides a smooth, even surface with minimal effort. The mini skid steer land leveler is ideal for cutting, spreading, grading, and leveling soil with ease. With 36, 42, 48, and 54-inch widths available, you can choose the best fit for your job requirements. Let's check out the key features of this mini skid steer land leveler. While many competitors settle for 1/2 inch by 3-inch cutting edges or use standard plate steel as their edges, the Virnig mini skid steer land leveler features two 1/2 inch thick by 4-inch wide cutting edges crafted from high carbon steel. The edges are beveled on both sides, similar to a bucket edge, which delivers excellent cutting performance in soil. The open, low-back design provides excellent visibility, ensuring operators can work with greater accuracy and efficiency. The flat top of Virnig's mini land leveler doubles as a carrying surface, so operators can transport materials like rocks, debris, or other job site necessities with ease. Need to loosen soil? Virnig's optional Scarifier features 1/2 inch thick teeth, which cut 4.6 inches deep, breaking up compact soil while leveling in reverse. When not in use, the Scarifier locks securely into a storage position to keep it out of the way. Choose from 3 different mounts to match your mini machine. From site preparation to finishing touches, the V20 mini skid steer land leveler combines versatility and precision to tackle a wide range of jobs. With multiple widths and the optional Scarifier, this compact yet capable tool is perfect for your landscaping and grading projects. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, please post them in the comments below. Visit our website to view our full line of attachments for mini skid steers, mini excavators, skid steers, and compact tractors.